What's going on, y'all? Nick here, coming to you with another video. So, you guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play all your 12 keys, all right, with both your right and your left hand, all right. I'm going to teach you the fingering, all right, and also make sure that when you look at this video and you study it, make sure you go back and you do everything that I'm telling you with a metronome. I'm going to teach you how to properly do that, all right. I'm probably going to break this series into 12 different videos so that none of the videos are too long. All right, so you guys, the last scale in the series is the F scale. So first I'm going to do it with my left hand. And now I'm going to do it with my right hand. Now here's one thing I want to point out to you guys, right? Usually when you're doing the scale, you would like to finish and, you would like to start and end with the same finger. So in the case of F, notice I started with finger number 1 with my right hand. Now if I was going to continue going up, I would go to 1 to continue the scale. But because I'm finishing the scale, F is one of those keys where you actually finish off with a different finger. So I finished off with finger number 4, or my ring finger. Alright, so that's just something to bear in mind. But this is how it sounds like together. And as always, make sure you practice it with a metronome. So this is how it should sound like. Alright guys, so this is the end of all the 12 keys in the keyboard or the piano. I hope you enjoyed this series. If you did, please you guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, do all that YouTube stuff, and also comment if you need any help with any other aspects of music theory. I'm always here to help. With that being said, you guys, Nick over and out. Jesus is king, y'all.